See that color? See that? What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I got these highlights without coloring, bleaching, or rinsing my hair. These are clip-ins from Kinky Curly Yaki. I'll post a link in the description, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I wanted to do a quick length check just to see how my hair is growing. I had my husband cut all my split ends about a week ago. I got a little desperate because all the salons have been closed because of this whole pandemic. So let's see how my hair is growing. I also got this length check cape from a hair workshop that I went to, and I can put the link in the description. So let's see how we're doing. I think I am at about 4 inches, which I wish my hair was growing longer, faster. I wanted it at bra length by now, so I'm gonna throw a little tantrum here. It's gonna be okay. Woosah, woosah. Okay, so anyways, back to the hair tutorial. I am using, once again, Kinky Curly Yaki. Their hair clip-ins that I colored myself. Probably shouldn't have, but I'm trying to save some money. So my hair is already washed, detangled, and ready to go. I'm going to do a twist out on the very bottom. So after that, I do my twist out. I'm going to do 2 horizontal twist outs, or you can do a braid out. And after that, I will use a bobby pin to kind of clip those up. So do my horizontal twist out or braid out, and then clip those up. And then now I am ready to add my clip-ins in. Now I did twist my clip-ins with some of my hair, which I think I forgot to video tape that or video record that, and I just repeated the process of 2 braids or twist out going horizontally and bobby pinning those up, and I'm twisting my natural hair with the clip-ins. The front is the same concept. I did 2 regular twist outs, and I did a horizontal twist or braid so that my clip-ins could attach to that. And I did the same on the opposite side. You can part it however you like and just attach those clip-ins. So in total, I think I did about 4 clips in the back and 2 on each side. So this is how they came out. I will let them dry overnight. And in the morning, drumroll,
don't rush, slow. White rum, easy, 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 easy. Go put the belly on the body, make a clutch. See no watch, now she wanna give crutch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, I might forget what. When she want dark,
Deuces.